Ever wondered if your regular car insurance covers you when you're delivering goods or driving clients around? It probably doesn't. Let's break down the real difference between personal and commercial auto insurance so you don't end up with a denied claim when it matters most. Check out the link in the description box below. Alright, let's start simple. Personal auto insurance is what most people have. It covers you for everyday driving, like commuting to work, running errands, or going on a road trip. Basically, anything that's not related to making money. But once your vehicle is used for business purposes, like transporting tools, delivering food, or hauling equipment, you've entered the commercial zone. Commercial auto insurance is designed for work-related driving. It usually offers higher liability limits, coverage for multiple drivers, and protection for equipment or products in your vehicle. So, let's say you own a landscaping business. You drive your truck to job sites, haul tools, and maybe let your crew drive it too. That's a classic case where you need commercial auto insurance. Now here's the catch. If you only have personal insurance and you get into an accident while doing business, your claim might get denied. Yep, denied. So, if your wheels help you earn a paycheck, commercial coverage is the way to go. Better safe than sorry, right? One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.